Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation of Anatomy of a Medical Malpractice Case, Skills for Success. My name is Jonathan J. Schutrum. I'm an attorney here at the law firm of Hall Booth Smith in the Buffalo, New York office. And today we'll be talking, as we indicated in the title, all about medical malpractice cases and skills that will help you in navigating those. Before we get going, have just sort of a roadmap of what we'll be discussing today. So learning objectives, hopefully what you'll get out of this course is an ability to map the full med-mal life cycle from intake to after trial, identifying some high leverage moments, some key points in the case that you can use to advance your client's interests. We'll talk about liability and causation, and how that can effectively be sorted through, how it can be established using records, timelines, and early expert input. We'll talk about discovery and how paper discovery and depositions can build, or, on the other side, if it's improper, dismantle your case and establish the standard of care and causation that's necessary in a med-mal case. We'll talk about dispositive motions and strategies for either making or defeating those motions and valuing cases credibly for mediation and settlement in relation to the litigation that's going on. And then finally, we'll talk about some of the common ethics pitfalls, things like handling protected health information, treating physician contacts, in the candor of experts, some common ethical pitfalls that you may run into. And just as a sort of a 10,000-foot view of the subject, there are three pillars of medical malpractice. So if you remember nothing from today's presentation, remember that a medical malpractice case is composed in central part of the standard of care, causation, and damages. In order for a plaintiff to recover under a medical malpractice theory, all three of those pillars need to be established. And so that's going to be a large focus of our discussion today. We'll talk about how the standard of care is established, how causation can be shown using both records and expert testimony. And then finally, again, we'll talk about damages and how a case can be valued